Hi guys, Rachel here from the Confused Millennial, and today we are going to look at the first play kit in the Lovevery subscription kit. So I don't have like the full box to show you guys, but I am whipping out the items and some of the footage, which I kind of like nicer than just an unboxing because I can actually tell you how these toys held up as she got older. Did she keep playing with them? Were they actually worth it? If you don't know what Lovevery is, they are basically a toy company, Montessori-based toys, expertly designed. They literally work with researchers, academics, and pediatricians to put together these super fun play kits to meet your baby where they are at in their development. Okay, so let's get into the looker for 0 to 12 weeks first. I think it's also important to note that because it has been like a year and a half since she got some of these, it looks like Lovevery switched out a few of the items in some of the play kits from the first year. This is a mug because as a new parent, you're gonna need all the coffee. I don't know if this comes in the current version. The main difference between the version I have and the one that they're currently offering to new parents is this really awesome double-sided mobile, which I really wish I had. It's a huge upgrade to the box. You can hang it over your baby's changing station, and it will definitely come in handy in keeping your baby entertained as they get squirmier and squirmier during diaper changes. A lot of the items inside this play kit have stayed the same, including some of my favorites, and it looks like they got rid of ones that maybe parents didn't need as much. Item number one that I love, it is this travel card holder, and it basically just hooks over the back of a seat, so when your little one is in the car seat, they have something to look at. I love that it's soft. I don't know if you guys have read research, like those hard plastic mirrors, they're kind of, some people are super against them. Some people are like, I want to be able to see my baby when I'm driving. The reason some people are against them, I guess, is because car accidents, they're not necessarily super safe. But this is really soft, so I never had any concerns hanging this for her to look at. The other type of thing it comes with is this foldable stand-up card holder, and it also comes with all of these black and white high contrast cards. They have simple images and more complex ones. We loved having this. We had a bassinet attachment in our stroller, so what we did was we just laid this flush against the side, so when we were on walks she had something to look at. You could also lay this flat on the floor, standing it upright, and then use it as something to distract them or engage them during tummy time. Another item that comes in the play kit is this little soft silicone rattle, and the ball pops out. It makes noise, it's soft. My daughter likes to put it in her mouth. This is an item that she got a ton of use out of as she continued to grow older, whereas these we still use all of the time. She likes being able to take this out, open it up, and we obviously keep this, and we've updated some of the images with ones that come in future play kits to kind of meet her a little bit more where she's at developmentally. Another item, and this item we never used in the play kit, I'm sure some parents will absolutely love it, and it does have a shorter shelf life. And that is these soft, high contrast mittens that you can put onto your baby's hands. If you have a new baby at home, you know their nails are like cat claws. They're super sharp, so it'll definitely help protect your baby if they're scratching their face. It's a little bit more engaging than just like a pair of white ones, but again, my daughter never liked having anything on her hands, so we actually never used these. And another item in this kit is this wooden board book, which we still use to this day. We keep it at our changing station, and our daughter goes ahead because the pages are thick and because it's smaller, she can open it up all by herself, and she has loved to play with this from the day she was born. We read it to her all the way through now. We name the animals, we count the fish. This has really grown with us, and we've got a ton of use out of. And the last item that was in the original play kit, but I don't know if it's in the current version, was a cotton muslin blanket. That is currently in my baby's room, but she's napping, so I don't have that to show you. It's really soft, it's nice, but it's just a muslin blanket, nothing super special. Essentially, inside each play kit, it has this little guidebook telling you what skills they're working on, explaining why they included the item in there, lots of different ways to play with it and how to use it with your little one. And these are really helpful because obviously we don't necessarily think that this type of picture is the most interesting in the world, but to our baby, it really, really is. And it kind of brings that into perspective and lets you into their world a little bit. So do I think it was worth it?
I'm gonna go with a yes, because we do still use about half of, or over half of the items at a 1.5 years old now. And then the things that we don't use, they did swap out for the mobile. And so really only 2 items have a short shelf life. So this is gonna be a thumbs up for me.
Make sure to hit that notification and subscribe button, because next time I'm going to be walking you through their 3 to 4 month play kit, the Charmer. And you definitely won't want to miss it. In the meantime, make sure to check out my full Lovevery Play Kit review. That's kind of like a high level overview of what I think of all these things, whereas these mini videos, I'm going into what's inside of each box. So till then, I'm Rachel. Check me out on Instagram if you have any questions at The Confused Millennial.